Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into your Google account and ensuring Gemini access is enabled. This gives you the image tools immediately. Once done, open Gemini in the web or mobile app and pick the image mode, photo, illustration, or stylized art, so the model knows constraints. You should also gather reference details: subject, mood, color palette, and aspect ratio like 16:9 or square. These prerequisites make your first prompt precise and reduce wasted iterations when you generate the first image. You now craft the core prompt. Name the subject, the action, and the intended mood so Gemini understands intent. Then layer modifiers, camera lens, focal length, lighting direction, and color palette to control realism or stylization. For example, specify soft golden hour light or cinematic 35 mm. If the scene is complex, provide a reference image or break the task into stepwise prompts and iterate, making small edits each run. This iterative refinement is why results converge faster and with higher fidelity. You generate several variants and scan at full size to choose the best candidate. Once chosen, use Gemini's inpainting or edit tools to fix details like faces or backgrounds. After edits, export at the resolution you need or apply upscaling for print. Make sure color profile matches your output. If results are off, adjust prompt weights, remove ambiguous words, or provide additional reference images, then regenerate. That troubleshooting step fixes most errors and saves time when you need a polished final image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.